Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today opening a second hobby box from a half case that I bought online from Cards Infinity. It's actually the 5th box overall. So let's go ahead and rip into it. This is Star Wars Black and White Return of the Jedi. Been very happy with what I've got so far from this. So be sure to check out my other videos. Right, so there's the packs, empty box, pack odds for those interested. I've been a big fan of all the Black and White series so far. Really cool idea by Topps to do these little sets here. Got Leia and Jabba. Got a nice shot of the Emperor with, he has a stick there, he's a walking stick. Got Han Solo. Got Sepia there with, that's a cool shot of R2-D2 and Wicket. Behind the scenes, got Leia and Vader. Alright, now we got Han Solo getting ready for dinner. We've got Luke. We got Nin Num in the Millennium Falcon. We got Han and Leia. We got a blue family portrait of Ewoks. Very cool. Ah, there's Wicket, iconic character. Very cool insert set. We've got this is more Millennium Falcon stuff, and then Chewie. Chewie kind of having a bad hair day right there, honestly. Got Stormtroopers. Got Luke. More Luke. Dagobah. Stormtrooper Sepia. That's a cool, that's inside the Death Star concept art. That is sweet. Joe Johnston did that. Got 3PO and a nice shot of the Emperor. A friend of mine pulled the metal card of this, which is so cool. The metal cards are 1 of 1, by the way. We got Luke, 3PO. Got Jabba's dancers. She might not make it. Spoiler alert. Got Bib Fortuna. Got a blue parallel of Vader versus Luke. Behind the scenes. That's a great shot there. Love that Death Star scene, that throne room scene on the Death Star. One of the all-time great movie finales. Got Jabba and Leia. Got Ewoks. Got Han. We got Princess... No, it's not Princess Leia. That's Luke. There's a poster card. Oh. They had marathons way back then, too. You could watch Star Wars, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi. That is cool. Marathon poster. Very cool. Alright, next pack. Han and Leia. The Emperor. Got Luke. Got Vader. Got a green parallel out of 99. Vader bringing Luke to the Emperor. That's the exact same card as this, except the green. We got Akbar, iconic character. We got this card. The last time I talked about this card, I kept calling it the Rancor Pit. It's not the Rancor Pit. It's the Sarlacc Pit. And I know I'm going to get a billion comments saying, why are you calling that the Rancor Pit? It's not a Rancor Pit. It's Sarlacc. That's the Rancor Pit. So, yeah, I do know that that was not where the Rancor was. I messed up. Very bad screw up there by me on camera. Okay, so that's our only numbered card so far. So let's see what we get in this last pack. Maybe we'll get a numbered auto since we did not get any numbered cards. We've got Vader versus Luke. Got Han. I think we might have a sketch. Yeah, we got a sketch. We got a sepia. We got behind the scenes. We got Frozen Han Solo. And we've got Chewie. So let's see the artist. Star Wars Return of the Jedi. Congratulations. You have discovered Star Wars black and white sketch card featuring characters and scenes from Star Wars Return of the Jedi. Frank Sansone. I think I have a sketch of this by Frank, and I think it was really cool. So let's see what we got here. I'm kind of excited for this. Oh, nice. The Crumb. Wow. This is a Crumb box here, the Crumb case, because I got this box from Cards Infinity, but I did have him open 3 boxes of them online, and I got this Crumb out of 10 out of the same case, auto. That is sick. I love that. I guarantee you, well, I think I might have another Crumb, a Crumb sketch card, but that one is really nice. Man, that's really well done. This guy, this Frank Sansone, he does some nice sketches, man. Awesome. Okay, so this is a really cool box. We got a sick Crumb sketch and then a green card. All right, stay tuned for more videos.